Let's make Southwest jerk egg rolls using 3 of my products. Okay, y'all, so for these Southwestern jerk style egg rolls, I had already cut up some chicken. I had some chicken tenders, and so I cut up the chicken just in really tiny bite sizes, and now we're gonna get ready to season the chicken. So we're gonna start with some garlic powder. You know me and my seasoned pepper. So we have some seasoned pepper, we have some onion powder, and I know we got some complete seasoning. We got some salt here, y'all. Some salt. I'm gonna do a little bit of cayenne, not a lot, because we're gonna use DivineKuizine's jerk rub. So just a little bit, not a lot. Then we have the DivineKuizine jerk rub that we're going to use, or the jerk seasoning that we're going to use in this to jerk our chicken. And like I always say, this is a little spicy, so you have to take it, you could do at least 1 teaspoon, but each teaspoon you do is going to get hotter and hotter. So just keep that in mind when you are seasoning, when you're seasoning your meats or whatever you're going to use it for. So I wanted a little kind of kick of spice, so I did 3 teaspoons, but like I said, you can use as much as you want to, as how much you want it to be hot. And of course, to get this product, you can go to DivineKuizine.com or also on Amazon. Do a little bit of olive oil in here, and then I'm just gonna mix everything together. Mix all the chicken together. You could have done this ahead of time and set it aside to get all of the flavors, because you know anything that you let set aside and marinate even, you know, protrudes that flavor even more. So we got the pan hot with our jerk chicken that's cut up in bite size, and so we're gonna fully cook that all the way, and then we'll take it out and saute our vegetables. Okay, y'all, so our jerk chicken is ready, so I'm gonna take it out. Put a little bit of olive oil on the pan. We're gonna add our garlic. We're gonna add some fresh garlic. Red onion. Color peppers, so I have orange, yellow, and red. Some jalapeno. And if you do the jalapeno, you can de-seed it or leave the seeds in. I love the seeds in, but you can de-seed them. And we're gonna just let this cook for a few minutes until it kind of softens a little bit, the vegetables, and then we'll add the rest of our vegetables. Okay, now we're gonna add the corn. Homemade black beans, but you can use canned black beans if you would like. Stir that around. Then we're gonna add spinach. Let that cook down. Now we're getting ready to add our chicken back into our filling. Now we're gonna add some cheese. A little bit of cream to use a little dab of heavy cream, not a lot. A little consistency that will want, like how they had. Stir all this together. I'll put a little bit of the DivineKuizine jerk sauce in there. So we season the meat with the jerk rub, and then we're going to season the filling with some of the sauce, the jerk sauce. Alright, so this is what it will look like, and then we're going to set that aside and let that cool off, and then we'll go ahead and make our egg rolls. Okay, y'all. Now I have lifted filling for our jerk Southwestern egg rolls in the freezer just to kind of hurry up and cool off. So now we're going to make the avocado cream sauce, dipping sauce for these egg rolls. So Okay, y'all, so our filling has been cooled off. So now we're going to just roll our egg rolls. So I have some egg roll skins here, and I have some water, and all I'm gonna do is take the edges around the skin, you know, to dampen them. So it looks like this. Just take the edges with your finger, very easy, damp it. And then I'm gonna take some of our filling. It's nice and cooled now. You're gonna kind of like turn it a little bit. You're gonna gather it, and you're gonna start rolling it like a burrito. Rolling it like a burrito. You wanna get as tight as possible. And there you go. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished wrapping up the chicken Southwest inspired egg rolls, and it made about 19 of them. So for you to know, it's about 19 that you can make out of this. So now we're gonna get ready to go ahead and fry them up. Also, we're gonna drop them in the oil. Golden brown. So let's get into tasting these inspired chicken Southwest, chili chicken Southwest egg rolls. But of course I did mine with a twist, using my products and jerking the chicken. So I can't wait to go in. Let's taste. And I made the avocado cream sauce using the DivineKuizine Roma sauce. Let's taste. It's good. It's not too spicy. You can get a little kick of the heat of the jerk, but not overpowering the other flavors of like the spinach and the black beans and the corn, and then the sauce, the avocado sauce, gives it like that another texture. The beans, the corn, the cheese, the crispiness from the egg roll, a must make. It's not that hard. It gives you, it takes me back to the nostalgia of when I would go to Chili's and get these egg rolls. But of course I had to jerk them. To get this recipe and more, go to DivineKuizine.com, or I'm on Amazon. If you're in the Atlanta area, I'm at the Atlanta Buford's Farmers Market. Also, if you're watching me on YouTube, don't forget to click that notification so you can get notified when I have more recipes like this. Love you, Chef Shay.